Bula. Under the topic area under the normal curve, there are usually two main types of problems. The first one is where you have to calculate the probability. The second one is where you have to calculate either the mean, the IQ, or the X value. Let's do an example. For this one, we have to calculate the mean. Our question reads, the intelligent quotient score for people are normally distributed with a standard deviation of 10. The probability that a person selected at random has an IQ greater than 95 is 0.6915. Calculate the mean IQ score. Okay, so we note that our standard deviation is 10, and it says that the probability for an IQ greater than 95 is 0.6915. Okay, the first step is we have to draw our curve. Okay, and we should know that the total area under the curve is 1, and height in the middle or halfway is 0.5. Okay, our question says greater than, so we know we'll be shading from the top. Okay, and greater than, so from the top to the middle is 0.5, but our question is saying 0.6915, so that means it will be somewhere here. So you have from the middle to the top is 0.5, and ours is more than 0.5, so it will be somewhere here. Okay, the next part, or the next step, is that we have to find this probability in the middle, because this is the probability that we'll be using when we have to use our normal distribution table. Okay, whenever we use the normal distribution table, the probability given in the normal distribution table is usually the probability from the middle of the curve. Okay, so our next step, so we know that here you have 0.5 from here to where we have shaded 0.6915. So subtract the two, you get the remaining probability here, so that is 0.1915. Next, we use our table to find the Z. Okay, you can find the table in the Eaton table. So when we use our table, we find that our Z is equal to minus 0.5. If you do not know how to use the table, please watch the video on how to use the normal distribution table, or how to read the normal distribution table. Okay, so our Z is equal to minus 0.5. Why we put a minus? Because in the table it's symmetric, it just gives 0.5 or positive, but we are putting the minus because our shaded region is below the halfway. If we are looking for region at the top, then that will be positive, at the bottom is negative. So Z is equals to negative 0.5. Then we calculate the mean. We use our formula. Z is equals to X minus the mean over the standard deviation. We substitute our values. Our Z is minus 0.5, and which is equal to X is 95 minus the mean over 10. Then we make the mean the subject, so we multiply by 10 on the left hand side, you get minus 5. Take the minus 5 to the right hand side, and take, which becomes positive, and take the mean to the left hand side, which becomes positive. Simplifying, we get the mean is equal to 100. Thank you.